Have you ever wondered how far we've come in our quest to understand the universe? As human beings, we have an innate curiosity to explore the unknown, to reach out to the stars and beyond. This curiosity has been the driving force behind the dawn of space exploration. In the mid-20th century, the world saw an explosion of interest in the cosmos. This global fascination led to the birth of many space agencies, each with a mission to unravel the mysteries of the universe. One of these agencies was the Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO. ISRO's story began in the late 60s, a time when India was still finding its footing on the world stage. The year was 1969, and under the guidance of Vikram Sarabhai, the father of India's space program, ISRO was established. It was a bold move for a young nation, but one that would pave the way for many remarkable achievements. In its initial years, ISRO faced numerous challenges. There were no elaborate labs or state-of-the-art facilities. In fact, the first rocket was transported on a bicycle, and the first satellite was built in a church-turned-workshop. But what ISRO lacked in resources, it made up for in determination and ingenuity. Despite the odds, the scientists at ISRO persevered. They were driven by the belief that space technology could play a significant role in nation building. Their vision was not just to reach the stars, but to use this technology to address the real problems on the ground, like communication, weather forecasting, and agricultural productivity. These early years laid the foundation for ISRO's growth and evolution. Each challenge overcome, every obstacle surmounted, was a stepping stone towards a future that was once only dreamed of. From a humble beginning, ISRO's journey to the stars had begun, and this was just the beginning. As we delve deeper into ISRO's story, we will see how this journey has not only transformed India's role in space exploration, but also how it continues to inspire and innovate. In the early days, ISRO had its fair share of challenges and triumphs. This was a time when the dream of space exploration was still new to India, and the Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO, was in its infancy. Yet, even in these early years, ISRO made significant strides that propelled India into the realm of space exploration. In 1975, a significant milestone was reached with the launch of India's first satellite, Aryabhata. Named after the renowned Indian mathematician and astronomer, Aryabhata was a testament to India's ingenuity and determination. This satellite, while modest by today's standards, was a major achievement for India, marking its entry into the exclusive club of spacefaring nations. The launch of Aryabhata, however, was only the beginning. ISRO had set its sights on developing its own launch vehicles, a challenging task that required significant technical expertise and resources. The Satellite Launch Vehicle, or SLV, was ISRO's first attempt at this. Despite initial setbacks, the SLV successfully launched the Rohini satellite into orbit in 1980, making India one of the few nations capable of both building and launching satellites. But ISRO didn't stop there. Recognizing the need for more advanced launch vehicles, it embarked on the development of the Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle, or ASLV. This vehicle was designed to place larger payloads into orbit, further expanding India's capabilities in space. While the ASLV faced numerous challenges, it eventually achieved success, paving the way for future launch vehicles like the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle and the Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle. With these early achievements, ISRO was paving the way for greater feats. These initial triumphs were more than just technological achievements. They were a demonstration of India's commitment to explore the final frontier, to push the boundaries of human knowledge, and to strive for a future where the mysteries of the universe could be unlocked by humankind. ISRO's journey had just begun, and there were many more milestones to come. The 90s marked a significant period in ISRO's history with the advent of the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, or PSLV. This was a time of new beginnings, of pushing boundaries and soaring beyond the stars. With its successful launch, the PSLV not only propelled ISRO into a new era, but also propelled India into the League of Spacefaring Nations. The PSLV, a 4-stage launch vehicle with alternating solid and liquid stages, was a game-changer in space technology. It was designed with a unique capability to place satellites in polar orbits, hence the name, but its success was not limited to that. The PSLV was versatile, capable of launching multiple payloads into different orbits, a feature that distinguished it from other launch vehicles of its time. One of the PSLV's crowning achievements was the launch of India's first Mars orbiter mission, fondly known as Mangalyaan. This was a defining moment in ISRO's history, marking India as the first Asian nation to reach Mars orbit and the first in the world to do so in its maiden attempt. But the PSLV's role wasn't just limited to interplanetary missions. It also played a crucial part in launching various Earth observation satellites, communication satellites, and even student satellites. These satellites have since been instrumental in weather forecasting, disaster management, telecommunications, and in providing valuable data for research and development. The PSLV also paved the way for commercial launches. With its reliable track record, it attracted international customers, launching over 200 foreign satellites from more than 20 countries. This not only brought revenue, but also global recognition to ISRO. The PSLV era was more than just a series of successful launches. It was a testament to the capabilities of ISRO, to the brilliance of its scientists, and to the potential of India as a global player in space technology. And so, the PSLV era showcased ISRO's growing expertise in space technology. It was a period of growth, of achievements, and of setting the stage for the future. A future that ISRO continues to shape, one launch at a time. ISRO didn't just stop at Earth's orbit, ET reached for the stars, quite literally. Our journey takes us beyond the confines of Earth into the realm of interplanetary missions. Here, we delve into the Mars Orbiter Mission, or MOM, fondly known as Mangalyaan. Launched in November of 2013, this audacious mission propelled India into an exclusive club of Martian explorers. Not only did India become the first Asian nation to reach Mars orbit, but it also achieved this feat at the first attempt, a testament to ISRO's meticulous planning and execution. Mangalyaan's primary objective was to showcase India's rocket launch systems, spacecraft building, and operations capabilities. But it also had a secondary scientific goal: to explore the Martian surface and atmosphere from orbit. From studying the Martian surface to sniffing out methane in the Martian atmosphere, Mangalyaan continues to send valuable data, contributing to our understanding of the Red Planet. But Mars isn't the only celestial body that ISRO has set its sights on. Let's venture a little closer to home, to our very own moon. The Chandrayaan missions, meaning moon vehicle in Sanskrit, were ISRO's ambitious lunar exploration projects. Chandrayaan-1, launched in 2008, marked India's first step towards the moon. The mission made a significant discovery: direct evidence of water on the lunar surface. This finding has immense implications for future lunar missions and potential human colonization. Chandrayaan-2, launched in 2019, aimed to further build upon these discoveries with a more complex mission. Despite a setback with the lander, the orbiter continues to function, providing valuable data about the Moon's surface and atmosphere. These missions, Mars Orbiter Mission and the Chandrayaan projects, are shining examples of ISRO's ability to dream big and its commitment to space exploration. They are a testament to the agency's resilience, resourcefulness, and innovation. ISRO's interplanetary missions marked India's place among the leading spacefaring nations. So where is ISRO now, and what does the future hold? As we delve into the present moment and beyond, we find the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, in the midst of some riveting projects. One such project is the Gaganyaan mission, a milestone in India's space journey. Gaganyaan is set to be the first manned space mission undertaken by ISRO. The mission intends to send Indian astronauts, called Vyomanauts, into space, marking a significant leap in India's space capabilities. It's not just about sending humans into space. It's about a vision, a dream, a step towards understanding the universe a bit more. Simultaneously, ISRO is also working on the development of its heaviest launch vehicle, the Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle Mark III, or GSLV Mk3. This rocket is designed to carry heavier payloads, including astronauts for the Gaganyaan mission into space. The successful development of GSLV Mk3 would further solidify India's position in the global space community and open new doors for exploration. But ISRO isn't stopping at the Earth's orbit. The organization has its sights set far beyond. Plans for interplanetary missions are on the horizon, with an ambitious second mission to Mars Orbiter Mission 2, in the pipeline. There's also talk of missions to Venus and an audacious project to explore the Sun. ISRO's interplanetary missions aim to unravel the mysteries of the solar system and beyond, marking India's footprint on the vast cosmic canvas. ISRO's journey is not just about reaching for the stars. It's about nurturing a culture of curiosity, innovation, and determination. It's about inspiring a nation and the world to dream big, to strive for the seemingly impossible, to push the boundaries of human knowledge and capabilities. As we look towards the future, we can expect ISRO to continue its journey of exploration, of pushing boundaries, and of inspiring generations to come. ISRO's journey is a testimony to India's scientific prowess and a beacon of inspiration for future explorers.